There comes a moment in a man's life when he realizes that the path he's been walking no longer satisfies him. He looks in the mirror and sees not just his face, but the weight of wasted energy, missed opportunities, and untapped potential. Deep down, he knows he was meant for something greater. This is the moment when the practice of semen retention enters the picture, not as a trend, not as a quick challenge, but as a doorway to a higher version of himself. Many men begin this path with fire in their eyes, but only a few make it past the early struggles, and even fewer learn how to sustain it for 365 days and beyond, transforming it into a lifestyle. The question is, how do you become one of the few? The first thing to understand is the problem. We live in a world designed to keep men weak and distracted. Every corner of society bombards us with temptations, screens flashing with images, music pumping desires into our subconscious, and conversations that celebrate instant gratification. The average man doesn't even realize he's being drained day by day, not only of his physical essence, but of his very spirit. He becomes a slave to his urges, addicted to the fleeting pleasure of a few seconds, while sacrificing the strength that could carry him through a lifetime. The result is a man who feels foggy, restless, unmotivated, and constantly chasing without ever feeling satisfied. This is the trap, and it is deep, but the solution lies in a simple truth. What you protect will grow stronger, and what you waste will fade. Retaining your life force is not just about controlling your body, it's about reclaiming your mind, your heart, and your soul. Making it past 365 days requires more than sheer willpower. It requires a shift in perspective. You must stop seeing this journey as a countdown and start seeing it as a way of life. When you begin to walk this path with patience, humility, and faith in God, semen retention becomes less of a battle and more of a natural state of being. One of the greatest hacks to sustaining this practice is connection with yourself, with your environment, and with your Creator. Connect with your heart daily. Too many men live only in their heads, fighting urges with logic, but neglecting the deeper power that resides in the chest. Your heart is where humility is born, where gratitude grows, and where love for God begins. Spend time in prayer, or in silence, or simply breathing with awareness. When your heart is strong, the urges that once seemed overwhelming begin to shrink in size. Protecting your eyes and ears is another essential key. Most relapses don't start in the bedroom. They start with what you consume. A single glance at the wrong image, a single song lyric that awakens lust, a careless scroll through social media. These are the sparks that ignite the fire of temptation. Guard your senses like a warrior. If your eyes and ears stay pure, your mind will follow. And when your mind is clean, your body will not betray you. This discipline may seem small, but it is the shield that will protect your journey past the 1-year mark. Yet discipline alone is not enough. You must also be humble. One of the reasons many men fall after months of progress is pride. They start to believe they are invincible, that they have mastered the art of self-control. But pride is the doorway to downfall. Remember always, this is a journey, not a destination. You are not done when you hit 90 days, 365 days, or even 10 years. You are simply walking a path that requires daily awareness and respect. Stay humble by reminding yourself that your strength does not come from you alone, but from God, who gives and takes away. When you humble yourself, you remove the ego that makes relapse possible. Another crucial element is faith. Without faith, semen retention becomes nothing more than a test of willpower, and willpower eventually cracks. But when you put your faith in God, you understand that this practice is not about deprivation, but about elevation. You are not withholding pleasure. You are cultivating power. You are not denying life. You are embracing a higher life. Every time you resist temptation, you are saying yes to something greater. Clarity, discipline, purpose, and divine connection. Faith keeps you grounded when your emotions try to pull you away. Along this journey, you will face moments of weakness. There will be days when the temptation feels unbearable, when your mind whispers that one slip doesn't matter. This is where hacks become essential. Move your body. Go for a run, do push-ups, stretch, lift weights. Cold showers, fasting, journaling, or even creative work can redirect your energy. These small habits are not distractions. They are weapons. By channeling your energy into constructive actions, you weaken the grip of destructive urges. But perhaps the greatest hack of all is remembering why you started. If you only begin this journey to prove something to others, you will not last. If you do it for ego, the ego will betray you. But if you do it because you want to meet the man you were born to be, then you will endure. Imagine yourself 1 year from now, a man with clear eyes, steady hands, calm thoughts, and a strong spirit. Imagine the respect you will carry without speaking, the opportunities that will open, the relationships that will deepen. That vision is your anchor. Hold it tight. By the way, if you want to learn how to control your urges more easily so you can achieve the semen retention streaks you fight for, stop any other bad habits, and become successful in life, instead of relapsing and constantly wasting all your energy, I suggest you read The Art of Not Forcing. It teaches you about the ancient practices of Wu Wei, which means effortless action. This doesn't mean being lazy. It's about learning to overcome difficult challenges with a clearer and calmer mind, instead of feeling irritated from failing. Semen retention won't be easy, of course. Some days it will feel like war, and that's good. The effort you put in and the struggles you face are what make you a tougher and stronger man. The art of not forcing will simply help you navigate through your journey with a more strategic and stoic mind, helping you feel calmer in the chaos and achieve your goals more effortlessly. The link is in the description below if you want to check it out. Making it past 365 days also requires balance. Do not obsess over the number of days. Ironically, the more you count, the harder it becomes. Obsession creates pressure, and pressure creates cracks. Instead, shift your focus from the days behind you to the man in front of you. Ask yourself daily, how can I live with discipline today? How can I honor God today? How can I use my energy for good today? When you master each day, the years take care of themselves. Over time, semen retention transforms from a challenge into a lifestyle. You no longer wake up thinking about urges, but about your mission. Your energy no longer burns inside you without direction. It flows into your work, your fitness, your creativity, your relationships, your faith. You begin to radiate a quiet confidence, not because you are perfect, but because you are in alignment. People notice, even if you never speak of it. Your presence becomes magnetic, your discipline inspiring, and yet through all of this growth, never forget humility. You are not better than other men. You are simply walking a different path. Share your journey when it helps, but never use it to boast. Remember, this practice is not about becoming a god. It is about becoming a servant of God. It is about aligning your flesh with your spirit so that your life reflects something higher. In the end, the key to making it past 365 days of semen retention is not just resisting temptation, but embracing transformation. It is not about how long you can hold out. It is about how deeply you can live in alignment with your true purpose. Protect your eyes and ears, and the mind will follow. Connect with your heart, and your strength will multiply. Be humble, have faith, and remember always, this is a journey, not a destination. So, brother, if you are listening to this and wondering whether you have the strength to go all the way, the answer is yes, but not by your power alone. It will take discipline, it will take humility, it will take faith in God, and it will take daily commitment. But if you stay the course, if you walk this path with courage and patience, you will not only make it past 365 days, you will step into a lifestyle that transforms everything about you. And in that transformation, you will find the freedom, the clarity, and the strength you were searching for all along. If you made it until here, leave a crown emoji in the comments. I want to see how many of you reach the end and are truly willing to finish what you start. And remember, live with honor or die a coward. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and stay strong.